Welcome to the Market Action Podcast for Thursday, September 26th. Today's story is that this range-bound market won't last forever. Now's the time to plan for the next move. Hello, this is David Russell for TradeStation. In case you didn't notice, this market is downright weird, and it's all because of the trade war with China. Unlike other situations in the past, this is almost impossible to trade, because we don't know what's going to happen or when it will happen. It's very different from something like the 2008 financial crisis or the dot-com meltdown. Those sell-offs developed over quarters with lots of incremental facts confirming the trends. That's not to say trading them was easy, but at least the market knew which direction to follow. This time, it doesn't have a clue. If the White House and Beijing strike a deal next month, investors and business leaders will probably breathe a sigh of relief. Money could flow right back into stocks. But if they don't, just the opposite could happen. Until we know, we wait. It's not fun, but oh well. At least we can do some homework in the meantime. Consider a few things. First, the economy. As TradeStation's Market Insights blog has covered, there are not many signs of a recession right now. The U.S. consumer is getting stronger as the holidays approach. We have a shortage of houses, a glut of savings, and a flood of positive housing numbers lately. New home sales, existing home sales, builder confidence, housing starts, and permits. They all beat estimates in the last few weeks. Mortgage applications to buy a home, not refinance, have also strengthened. Business confidence is weaker because of the trade war, but that pendulum could swing back to positive if a deal is reached. Next, the S&P 500 has been trapped in something of a range for the last 18 months or so. Look back, and that's similar to the time it spent consolidating in 2015 and 2016, and the same period between February 2011 and early 2013. Both periods were followed by breakouts. Finally, this month has brought rotation into new kinds of stocks: financials, small caps, retailers, energy, and industrials. Many had been left for dead not too long ago. Will these become new leaders? Again, see Market Insights for more. So now we have the broader market squeezing into a tight range, but holding above its 50-day moving average. People are still scared and sitting on plenty of cash, despite strong economic data. Meanwhile, the news drought will end. Earnings season starts in a few weeks, and there could be some China news around the same time. This market is weird and paralyzed by uncertainty, but sooner or later the S&P will start moving again. We know that. The only question that matters is whether you'll be ready when it happens. Thanks for listening to the Market Action Podcast. This is David Russell for TradeStation.
The preceding podcast was for educational purposes only. All of the symbols and trading ideas discussed were for demonstration purposes and not recommendation. Active trading is not suitable for everyone. You can find additional disclosure information on the TradeStation.com website. Thank you for listening.